Hi guys, welcome to my channel JK777 Cosmic Tarot. I am Jyoti. I'm here with a pick a card reading and the subject is who will you marry? We are going to discuss who will you marry, what will be their personality, what will be their nature like and their profession, etc, etc. Whatever information I get at the time of reading, I will tell you. Now guys, this is going to be for all of you. This is for singles who have never been married in the past. This is for people who may have been divorced or people who want to get married for the second time, third time, fourth time, doesn't matter. So this reading is applicable to all of you. So if you're very keen to get married and you want to know how your future spouse will be or what kind of nature or personality will they have, so this is the reading for you. This reading is going to be for all of you who wish to get married someday or in the near future. So now guys, I have laid down 3 different cards depicting 3 different crystals. I would request you to choose any one of them. Now number 1 is petalite, which is 38. Number 2 is aquamarine, that is 5. Number 3 is rhodochrosite, that is number 14. So please follow your intuition and choose any one crystal. Guys, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to 40 seconds. You take your time and choose any one of them. There are some cases where you get drawn to 2 piles also. So if that's the case, I'll request you to check both the piles for you. So I'll start with people who chose petalite number 38, and for the rest of you, I'm going to meet you in your reading soon. So let me keep the cards aside. This is number 3, this is number 2. So I'll start with people who chose 38, that is petalite. Alright, so let's start. How will this person be? This person is somebody who wants things to be real, transparent. They cannot bear fakeness at all. This person cannot bear fakeness at all. Highly romantic. It's like if they commit to you, because we have the lovers, it's like this person is going to be highly romantic. It's like once they meet you, they are going to be totally devoted, totally, that kind of a relationship. So yes, this person is going to be very loyal guys towards you. So yes, I do feel that this person is going to be very serious, very loyal towards you. You are going to meet this person. It could be, you don't have to run towards this person. This person will come to you. That kind of an energy I see. I do feel that this person is going to come. Either he or she, they will come land up on your door, or you're going to meet this person via work or something, could be, I don't know, but I do feel that this person is going to chase you or this person is going to come to you. Okay, so that kind of an energy. You won't have to go anywhere, especially if you are a feminine energy. This person is the one who is going to chase you. Yes, for some of you, this person is already there in your life. This person is there in your life. They look very beautiful. If she's a feminine energy, yes, she is going to be very beautiful, stunning. And if masculine energy, then also very good looking. Now I don't know why I'm getting this. Some of you, you have lost hope in your life. You are like, I don't feel I'm going to meet this person. You have just lost hope, but that's not the case guys. Okay, you are going to meet this person very soon. Just have faith and wait. All right, I don't know why I see that you are in this energy where you sit and you cry. You are like, I don't know, could be that you may have had some failed relationships or a failed marriage in the past, and you've just lost hope. It's like, when will I find this person? But please don't be in that energy. You are going to meet this person very soon. Now this person is very social. All right, very social, and this person is going to be highly educated. They may have some degrees by their side, or I don't know, this person is educated, or somebody who is at a very good position, that kind of an energy. They have a lot of knowledge. This could be spiritual knowledge or knowledge in their field. whatever it is. I'll come to the profession very soon. But yes, this person is highly educated and could be a scholar in their own field. Okay, now this person, wherever this person is also worrying a lot, guys. They also want to be with you. I think this person is also wanting to be with their soulmate, and you are the one for them. So whatever it is, destiny is going to get you both together very soon. And didn't I tell you that some of you are already dating this person? Okay, because we have this, so you have already met this person. You may meet this person via your family or somebody connected to your, it could be a family friend, I don't know, somebody connected to your family. So you may meet this person via family or something like this. This person is going to be a very kind hearted soul. I feel this person is going to be very kind, kind at heart, that kind of nature I see. Very social, they love to be around friends, they want to hang out, go out with friends every day, that kind of an energy. So this person is very lovable. Whoever this person is very lovable. This person may have had some failed relationships in the past, just like you, and this person is also waiting. This person is also waiting for the right person to enter their life. Okay, they are also hoping and wishing that they find their soulmate. So that kind of an energy. Of course, this person is bit rigid in the sense they are not open to change. I do see that kind of energy. It's like they have their set standards, set goals, set nature. They cannot be manipulated easily, or they cannot be changed basically. So they cannot be changed or manipulated. So they know they want this and they will get it, that kind of energy. So let's see what messages do I get for group number 38. Let's see what will be this person's nature like and profession. Let's see this person's nature and profession. So we have the Four of Swords. Okay, I get one more card. This is King of Wands. I get one more card. This is Page of Cups. Amazing. We are going to see their nature and their profession. King of Swords in reverse. Okay, let's see what's their nature like. What's okay, this card wants to pop out. Ten of Swords. Didn't I tell you this person also has been through some failed relationships in the past, and they are very worried wherever they are. Maybe you have already met this person, and if you have not met this person is also waiting for somebody, you know, who just matches them, or they are waiting for the right partner, you know, somebody who is very compatible with them, that kind of an energy. Okay, this card wants to come out. Yes, I think this person is in a relationship, guys. For some of you, yes, this person may be involved with somebody at this moment, and this person is going to soon walk out of that relationship to be with you. I do see that. I feel that this person has been betrayed by their partner. So they are going to walk out of this relationship and they are going to come towards you. They are very hurt. This person is somebody, you know, who takes a lot of stress. They have a habit of thinking. It's like anything small, they worry a lot. I do see that kind of an energy, but highly romantic. This person is highly romantic, and this person is somebody who is very compatible to you. I do see that. Someone who is very compatible to you. So I do see a Scorpio, Cancer, Taurus in this reading. This person could have a strong Venus in their chart, Pluto in their chart. I do see that. This person could be a Leo and Libra too. Okay, so we have the Hangman in reverse. I feel this person talks less. They may not express themselves. They are highly romantic. I have got two cards here, Knight of Pentacles and Eight of Wands. I think for some of you, this person is already there in your life. You know, it's just that this person is waiting for the right time. This person wants to offer you, but then they are like hesitant. I don't know, could be that they are waiting for you to come out of a relationship so that they can offer you this love. You know, I do see that kind of an energy here. Now this person is less talkative, guys. Okay, this person is less talkative. In some cases, I feel this person is still thinking, whether, because I feel that this person is there in your life, but then they are thinking, what do I do? Should I move ahead? Should I propose? Should I not? Should I propose? Should I not? That kind of an energy. I think you are going to have a very passionate relationship, okay? From both the ends, I feel that both of you are just the perfect match for each other. So I do see a lot of compatibility between both of you. Of course, this person may talk less. You may have this issue that this person doesn't talk much, but I feel that the compatibility, this person is going to be highly possessive for you, okay? Come what may, they are going to be highly possessive for you. Could be controlling a bit, okay? Maybe they are going to be a bit controlling because they are possessive, of course, so they will be a bit controlling. Let's see. This person is a perfectionist, okay? Whatever they want, whatever they do, they are going to do it with perfection. So they don't, if they do, they will do it wholeheartedly, or else they just won't do it. That kind of a nature this person has, okay? I told you, this person takes a lot of stress. I don't know why. Maybe this person, if this person is already there in your life, I don't know, I feel that this person is already going through some stress at this moment in their life. As I said, they may be in some other relationship and they're worried. This person is going through a lot of stress at this moment. Wherever this person is, this person may be in your life, is not there in your life, I don't know. So I feel that this person is very soon going to walk out of their relationship and they're going to come towards you. Universe is going to make you two meet very soon. This person could be careless about their health, okay? They may not take health seriously. A bit careless person. I do see that this person could be careless as far as their health is concerned. Let's see what more. Let's see. This person could be mysterious also, okay? A person who has some secrets, or they take time to reveal their secrets, that kind of energy. So this person does have some secrets. Oh my god, I talk about it and this comes. Just look at this. So this person is going to be secretive, mysterious. They may not open up to you immediately, okay? This person is going to take a lot of time before they open up to you. I don't know, okay? But I just spoke about it and this card popped up. So definitely this person is going to be mysterious and very secretive. They are not going to open up so easily, and this person is not open to change. That is why this person is in this energy. This person is not open to change. It's like, they have to take, it is an effort for them to accept change. This person is not open to accepting change easily. They dwell on it for a long time. They take a lot of time to come out of something and to enter a new thing. So as I said, for some of you, this person is in a relationship and they are going to walk out of that relationship and then they're going to move towards, but whatever it is, I feel that this person is not happy at this moment. I think that is why, see, universe does plan it in that way, because they are not happy there, they are going to walk out of this relationship, and that is when this person is going to come to meet you. For some of you, I feel that this person is already there and they are waiting for the right time to offer you this pentacles. Look at this. And they want to propose to you, but then they are thinking a lot. I don't know. I told you this person is less talkative. I think this card wants to come out. I'll take this. Wow, this is the Ace of Cups. Didn't I just say I'm talking about the offer and this comes here? This person is going to propose. I don't know, for majority of you, I feel that this person is already come, and for the others of you, this person is coming within 2 to 3 years. And if you're too young, like 18, 19, 20, then you will have to wait some more time. You will have to wait till the time you're ready for marriage. But people who are actually ready, I think this person is coming very soon. For some of you, this is this year. For the others of you, it is between 2 to 3 years. Let's see what more can I get about this person. I told you, this person is going to be a public figure also. For some of you, this person is going to be a public figure. Could be from an entertainment industry. Maybe they have their own YouTube channel or something like this, but this person has followers for sure. They have some followers. They may be actor, actresses, or I don't know, but yes, I do see that this person could be a public figure. So yeah, I do see that. I think these two cards want to come out. So one is Three of Cups and the other is Seven of Swords. Yes, I just say this person is very good in hiding their emotions, and I also feel that this person, they love to spend a lot, though they are social, they love going out, they love being with friends, but this person needs some me time, that kind of an energy. It's like sometimes they, I don't know, I feel that this person, as I said, this person is secretive. They may want some time to be just by themselves, to think over. This person thinks a lot basically. As I said, I feel like this person right now is going to walk out of a relationship. They're going to walk out of a relationship and come towards you very soon. This person could be an engineer. This person could be somebody who has his own business, her own business, and could be from civil services. This person could be from civil services, government jobs, civil services, organizations. Maybe they are from hotel industry. Okay, what else? I think this person believes a lot in doing social service, so maybe that's their field. I don't know, maybe they are working with some NGOs or organizations that help people, something like this. Could be from travel industry for some of you. This person could be a writer, a thinker, and a journalist for sure. Okay, in some cases I do feel this person is somebody who thinks a lot. So this person could be a writer, a journalist, or something like this. This person could be involved with jewelry business also. Yeah, they may be dealing with gold, diamonds, artificial jewelry. I don't know. I do see connection with jewelry also for some of you. So this person may be from that industry also. Let's see more. Let me see more about this person. Let me see more about this person. Okay, I think this card wants to come out. This person is fickle-minded. So they take a lot of time to take any decision. That is why, as I said, for some of you, this person is already there in your life and this person is holding on, waiting for the right moment to propose you. Right? So we have the King of Swords. I did tell you this person. Okay. This is a person, guys, who may have started right from the scratch in their life, and that is when they are going to be in a very good position. Okay, they may have started right from the scratch. They are going to be in a very good position. When you meet this person or when you marry this person will have achieved a lot in their life. By the time you get married, this person will have achieved a lot in their life, or maybe you are dealing with this person and they are already well settled in their life. They're very hardworking for sure. I told you this person is very good looking. Nobody can ignore them. They have a very strong willpower. this person could be very spiritual also. Okay, this person could be very spiritual. They have a lot of spiritual knowledge. So let's see more about this person. Let's see more about this person through this deck. Let me see what can we get through this. Let's see. Okay, I get service. I told you. This person is could be from an industry where they are helping people. You know, it could be, this person could be a nurse. This person could be somebody who is helping people heal in some way. Okay, what is this? Discovery. I told you this person is very intellectual. They are highly talented. They think a lot. They are the ones who are very creative. I told you this person could be somebody who discovers, who creates. It could be a writer, a script writer, or you know, a strategist. Somebody who thinks a lot. All right. Now see, we have discovery over here. Yes, this person could be a scientist. You never know. Okay, I get one more card. What is this? Perfection. I told you this person is a perfectionist. I told you at the start. What is this? Self-worth. This person, I told you, this person is going to very soon walk out of a relationship and is going to come towards you. This person is somebody who needs respect. If you don't respect this person will walk out. You know, this person is very loving, very loving. We have the lovers here. But at the same time, a man or a woman with high self-respect. It's like a person, they like to be around people who respect them. They like to be around people who value them. If they see or if they feel that, you know, this person doesn't value, they will walk out. You know, that kind of an energy I do see. So this person definitely is going to love you a lot. They are going to be very loyal towards you. Look at this, highly romantic. But of course this person is going to be shy. So let's see, what do we get from Romance Angel deck? What messages do we have for you here? Let's see, what messages do we have for group number 38? So let's see, what messages do we have for group number 38? What messages do we have for group number 38? Okay, my God, I'm getting 2 cards. Oh God, new love. I told you, you are going to meet this person very soon. The second is you deserve love. Now this card is trying to tell you that universe is working for you both to come together. As I told you, could be universe is really working, looking for the right person for you. It's like, you know, when Mother Nature is in search for the right partner for you, I do see that kind of an energy. So universe is working for you both to come together. So maybe you both stay somewhere else, or maybe you have never met each other. So universe is looking for the right partner for you and looking for ways how you both will come together. So yes, Mother Nature is looking for the right partner for you. Okay, and you're going to meet this person. And for some of you, this person is already there in your life. I told you, could be that you both are not talking to each other, and you know, you may have some ups and downs at this moment. I don't know, but I think this person is already there for some of you. All right, let's see what is the advice for you. Let's see what is the advice for you from angels. Let's see what is the advice for group number 38. Let's see what is the advice for you. Let's see what advice do we have for group number 38. Let's see what. Okay, I get this. Ask your angels. Okay, this card is trying to tell you that some of you, I really feel that you guys have lost hope. You know, you literally cry. You are in that energy where, you know, you feel depressed. Sometimes you feel as if, you know, you are never going to meet, or there is nobody in your life, or you will never meet your soulmate. Okay, you feel that. But please don't be in that energy, guys. You are going to meet this person. I do feel, look at this. Where did this go? You cry, okay? You don't show your emotions to people, and maybe you have lost a relationship and you're mourning over that. I don't know, but please don't be in this energy. You're going to meet Mr. Right or Miss Right very soon. Just pray, okay? Your divine God, whoever you pray to, Mother Nature is there. Your angels, your spirit guides are with you. They are going to help you meet this person. Let me see what message advice do we have for you. Let me see what advice do I get for you. Let me see. Okay, let me see what advice do I have for you. Group number 30. Okay, I get this. Within the next few months. Oh my god, look at this. You're meeting this person within the next few months. Didn't I tell you that for majority of you, you're going to meet this person very soon? I told you it could be within next few months, or max to max it is 2 to 3 years. Until unless you're too young, you are like literally 18, 16, then you'll have to wait till you reach the right age. But for the others of you who really are keen, you want to marry and you're looking for this person is coming within next few months. Let's see what advice do we have for group number 38. Let's see what advice do we have for, okay, I get this. Take action. I don't know why is this message here. Maybe there's something that you have to act upon. So you have to take some action. Maybe this person is already there in your life and you have to approach, or maybe, you know, you have to take the conversations ahead. I don't know. So you too have to take some action, guys. Okay, what is it? I don't know, but I do get this message for you. So you may have to take some action. Let me see any advice for group number 38. Any advice for you, group number 38? Okay. Just have faith, guys. Life is too beautiful. You will meet Mr. Right, Miss Right someday. Mother Nature. Okay, I think this card wants to come out. 2 cards. Be assertive, and if you believe. I told you I was just talking about faith, and look what comes. Look at this. And look at this. Just have faith and be assertive, be happy. You are going to meet Mr. Right, Miss Right very soon, and you have to believe. Okay, you have to believe that you are going to find the right person. You should not be staying in this energy, losing hope, not knowing what to do, crying. What is this? No, you don't have to be here. You deserve a beautiful life. You deserve your soulmate. You deserve someone who really loves you, and you are going to find this person. This person is going to come, and this person is going to love you so much. You know, we have the Ace of Cups. So this person is going to love you a lot, is going to make you happy, is your soulmate. Okay, this person is a divine love offer that's coming your way. Okay. So that is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this reading, and if you did, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate with you. And also, if you want personals, I would request you to visit my website jyotitarotreadings.com. You can book your readings there, and you can stay connected with me on my Instagram, my Facebook page. I keep posting messages there on my Instagram and Facebook, and those details are here at the end of this video. Okay, you can check at the end of this video. You will see all the details there. So thank you so much. I really appreciate your time, guys. You take care. Bye. Welcome group number 5. Let's see what do we have for you. I would rather keep it here. Okay, group number 5, this person is someone who is coming. Okay, this person is coming very soon. Now this could be within a year, within 2 years, within 3 years. For most of you, I feel this is this year. This person is coming within 1 to 2 years. This is your soulmate. This person is somebody who has been betrayed in the past. This is somebody who doesn't trust people so easily. This person is someone who doesn't trust people so easily. So could be somebody who is in mid 30s, mid 40s, mid 50s, mid 60s. If you are too young, then this person may come in your life when you are ready for marriage. So if you are 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, then you will have to wait till you get ready for marriage. But for the others of you who are in your 30s, 20s, 40s and you're waiting, you want to get married, this person could be in some cases senior to you. Okay, now this person is someone, you know, who needs security. This person is somebody who wants to, this person is bit money minded. Okay, money is something that they would always look forward for. It's like their priority in life is finances. Their priority in life is finances. So maybe at this point in time, this person is very focused in work. Okay, they want to get settled, or if they are young, yes, they want to get settled. They want to be something if they are young at this moment. So this person, wherever this person is focused in work. Money is their priority at this moment. For some of you, I feel that this person is not even looking to get married right now. Maybe their priority is money at this moment. This person is going to be like a surprise for you. You are going to meet this person out of the blue. You know, your meeting is going to be quite dramatic. I do feel for some of you this meeting is going to be very dramatic. It's like you are going to bump into each other somewhere. Could be a dating site, could be, I don't know, but I do see that this is going to be quite dramatic. You both meeting each other is going to be dramatic and like a history, and you will remember this always. Okay, something, it's like you will meet this person out of the blue at a random place, at a random time, at a moment when you would not even expect to meet somebody. So that kind of an energy I pick up. Now for some of you, especially if you are a masculine energy, this person could be, now this is for only 2% of you. Okay, 2% of you. Now this person is somebody who may be elder to you. Alright, elder to you, and a person who is going to expect a lot from you. This person has a lot of expectations from their partner. A lot of expectation means, I'm sure this person is somebody who believes in love, traditional kind of love. So they want their person to be perfect. So this person, when you meet this person, you know, they may have some expectations and you will have to fulfill. If you match their expectations, you know, they will definitely go ahead with you. Any which ways, it's universe who is going to bring you both together. So you don't have to worry about that. And for some of you, yes, this person is going to be a foreigner. You may meet this person from a different land, different country, and this person may not be in your country. This person may come from a different land, different country, or you may go and meet this person in a different land, different country. But I do see that you may have some distance. I do see some distance involved here. Now for some of you, yes, this person could be, now this is for 2% of you, not all guys. Now for 2% of you, yes, this person could be divorced in the past, or the divorce process is still on. This person is somebody who has been betrayed in the past. Okay, I'm going to keep this here. So this is somebody who has been betrayed in the past, and they are going to take a lot of time before they trust you. They are not going to trust you so easily. They are very guarded in life. It's like they have been betrayed in the past over and over again for some of you, and this person is going to take a lot of time. They are very guarded. It's like they are going to do all the checks before they move ahead with you, or before even they trust you. But guys, this person is on their way. They're coming. You see, this person is coming. Now this person could be somebody who is from information background or IT background. This person could be somebody who is from politics, science, highly intellectual. Okay, highly intellectual. Now this person is somebody who comes across as very arrogant, somebody as being very proud, somebody who doesn't talk much, or people may assume that this person has attitude, but that's not the case. Okay, looks are deceptive, so this person may come across as that person, but this person is not the way that they come across as. Looks are deceptive, guys. The person who doesn't talk doesn't mean they have attitude or they have pride or they are arrogant. No, this person is like an onion. Okay, he or she, they may have many layers. They will open up with you once they are comfortable. It's like you will have to peel one layer at a time. You'll have to peel them. You'll have to peel them slowly and slowly, and they will open up to you slowly and slowly. Once they are comfortable, they are all for you. That kind of an energy. I'm going to pull out some cards from this deck and then I'll go further with the reading. Okay, I think this one's to Queen of Wands. Okay, I think this card wants to come out, the Justice in reverse. Okay, I think this card wants to come out, that is the Six of Pentacles. We have the Seven of Wands. This person is going to chase you. Okay, this person is definitely going to chase you. It's like, you know, they won't express, they won't show that they are doing it to get you, but they are going to do it in a different way. They may have their own strategy or their own plans to get your attention, you know. Of course, this person, you know, they may not show it, but this person is going to try hard to get your attention. They're going to chase you for sure. For some of you, I feel this person will chase you a lot. Okay, it's like wherever you go, they will follow or something like this. Okay, I get one more card, that is the Four of Swords. This person is somebody who focuses on what he has or she has rather than what they want. You know, they live in the present. They are very peaceful, very peaceful. Okay, they love to be in peace. They are somebody who focuses on what they have rather than living in the future, rather than thinking about the future, what will happen, when will it happen. So they are somebody, for some of you, yes, this person, okay, I've got this card. For some of you, this person could be somebody from your past also. Okay, maybe an ex who may come back after 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, I don't know. So for some of you, yes, this person could be your ex too. Ex or a long lost friend, who you may meet after 15 years, 10 years, 5 years, or something like this. This person is very careful while they spend. Okay, they are very careful when they spend. It's like they are not spendthrift, so they are going to be very wise before they spend even a penny. So that, of course, they are going to do everything for you. They are going to go shopping, everything, but they are going to be wise. Nobody can take undue advantage of them. I do see that kind of an energy. This person is someone who is going to praise you always, you know, for your looks. So they will be very attracted to your looks. You know, if you are a masculine energy, then to your physique, and if you are a feminine energy, then they will always compliment you for the dressing, your dressing sense, for your figure, whatever it is. So this person is always going to compliment you a lot. Now this card wants to come out. Look at this, Ten of Cups. Your marriage is going to be so beautiful. Look at this, just like this. Your marriage is going to be very beautiful. in some cases I feel that it is you also who is divorced, and they also, in some cases, maybe 2% of you, maybe you are also divorced, they are also divorced, you both are going to come into each other's life. This person could have a child. Either you have a child, they have a child, you are a single parent, or they are a single parent, doesn't matter. So definitely I do see for some of you, that is for 2% of you, could be that this person has a child, you have a child, or one of you have a child, doesn't matter. Now I get one more card. Guys, this person is Knight of Swords. So very impulsive in nature, and they are heading towards you. They are on the way. This person is coming to you within 1 to 2 years, I feel. Until unless you're too young, it's like if you are 18, 19, 20, 16, 15, then you may have to wait till you reach the right age of marriage. For some of you, okay, if you are in your 50s or 40s, this person is somebody who is retired. We have the Ace of Swords in reverse. For some of you, maybe if, as I said, this person may be retired. If you both are, maybe you are in your 50s, they are in their 50s, you are in 60s, they are in 60s, I don't know. This is for very few of you, okay, especially if you are above 50 or something like this person could be retired, or somebody who has left their work and now they are doing something else, like an entrepreneurship. So that kind of an energy. This person could be somebody who has some phobias. This person may have some phobias. This person come across to me as somebody who is very guarded. This person has some phobias. Maybe their childhood has been that way, I don't know, but this person is fearful of something for sure. So with time, this person will reveal that to you. With time, they won't reveal it to you immediately. And this person is somebody who believes a lot in helping people, okay. This person is very helpful, so they believe a lot in helping people, and a very big hearted soul. They may not show it, but yes, they are. And this person is somebody who is very defensive. They are not going to lose so easily. It's like if you both have an argument, they will try their best to prove their point. They are not going to give in so easily. So this person is a hard nut to crack. It's like they are going to be somebody who will get involved in arguments. It's like you poke them once, they will be quiet. You poke them twice, they'll be quiet. But if you keep testing their patience, this person is going to blast, that kind of an energy. So this person is someone who is very defensive if for their loved ones, and if anybody takes you for granted, or their partner for granted, or their loved ones for granted, this person is not the one who is going to bear, okay. This person will just blast. So maybe they get angry fast, but for genuine reasons, not on you. They won't get angry on you, but they cannot bear that injustice, or they cannot tolerate any bullshit. So this person cannot tolerate BS for sure. Okay, wow, strength. This person is very loving. Maybe you may deal with a Leo. This person can be a Cancer, Scorpio, Libra, Pisces. They may have Venus, Mars and Saturn in their chart strongly, something like this. Okay, this person, yeah, I do see a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Actually, this person could be anyone because it's a general reading, but I do see these signs prominently here. In some cases, I feel that okay, I think I get this. We have the Three of Cups. This person could be elder to you. In some cases, yes, this person could be elder to you, senior to you. Maybe you have some age gap. Now, this is for 2% of you, or 1 to 2% of you. Could be that this person is 10 years elder to you, 15 years elder to you, or something like this. Or, you may have that age gap, or you are elder to them. It could be anything, but this is only for 1 to 2% of you, not for all of you. Okay, the others of you, yes, they are almost your age. Now this person is somebody who is going to pamper you a lot. Okay, this person is going to love you so much that they will spoil you, but it is going to take time for this person to open up. Once they fall in love, they are going to pamper you to no extent. It's like you will get addicted to their love, that kind of an energy. This person is very intellectual, guys, very intellectual. We have the Five of Pentacles in reverse. This person could be from politics, science. This person may be someone who works with a lot of people, or somebody who inspires others. This person could be from a science background. They may be a doctor. This person could be from technology side, like information science, that kind of an energy. This person may have done some study connected to chemistry, chemicals, cement, etc, etc. But yes, I do see a strong science background for some of you. Okay, this person may have this, and this person is somebody who may be involved in a supply chain management. This person could be connected to supply chain industry, export-import industry. They may have shop, boutiques, or something connected to dresses, footwear. A person who loves to socialize, could be connected to events industry, parties they organize. They may be an organizer, or could be a counselor, speaker. Anybody who is connected to the metaphysical science. Now science could be science could be both normal science and metaphysical science. So this person may be connected to either of that. Now matchmaker, parties. This person could be a DJ, a YouTuber, connected to advertising, I don't know. But yeah, this person is connected to media also in some cases. Okay, they may be from radio industry, or they may be a DJ. They may be a matchmaker, connected to advertising. Hangman in reverse. They could be from retail industry, clothes, footwear. They may be dealing in the import and export of all these things, so yeah. Maybe they are involved in marketing, advertising, something like this. Okay. Whatever it is, maybe they have their own setup, own business, or something like this. So let's see. This person firmly believes in compatibility, so they are going to take a lot of time to check whether how compatible you both are before they commit to you. So definitely I do see that kind of an energy here. This person could be from army background also, so military, army, police, or okay, something that is connected to the security side, security. Okay, I think this card wants to come out. We have the Death. Maybe this person is a Scorpio. I think, guys, you're going to meet this person exactly when, okay, this card wants to come out. We have the Six of Wands. For some of you, I strongly feel that you will meet this person at a time when you are going through a very difficult phase. Very difficult phase in the sense, maybe you are going through an end in your relationship, and that is when this person will come. This person is going to come as an angel. This person is going to support you financially, emotionally. So, it's like you would not even have imagined that this will happen, but this is going to happen. So you are going to go through, it's like maybe you're going through a difficult phase, you're going through a breakup, a divorce, something like this, and this person will land up. I think your meeting is going to be a surprise. You both, when you meet each other, it is going to be just like this. It's just going to be a random stuff. So yeah, this person could be somebody who has a lot of followers, and people really admire this person, people really want to be around them. So that kind of an energy I do see here. The Ten of Pentacles. We have the Wheel of Fortune. I think, guys, you're going to meet this person. This person could be somebody who is very well settled in their life. It's like, you know, they are hereditary rich. Maybe they are hereditary rich, or they have made a lot of property, or you know, they have their parents are rich, something like this. But I do see this person is going to be from a very well-to-do family, and this person is somebody who is going to change your life. This person is going to come and just change your life. It's like there's going to be a 360-degree turn in your life. Once this person enters your life, life will be magic. Okay, life will be magical for you. When you meet this person, it's going to take time for the love for you both to grow, but life is going to be beautiful and magical for both of you. As I said, you are going to go meet this person exactly at a time when things are going difficult for you, and when you're going through a tough phase in your life. Maybe you are going through a divorce, a breakup, there is some ending that may happen in your life, and that's when this person will come. This person is going to come as an angel to help you, and that is when things will start between both of you. Now let's see what else do I get for this person. Let me see if I get some more information about this person. This is for group number 5. Any more information for this person? Group number 5. Any more information? Okay, I think this card wants to come out. Despondence. Didn't I say that you're going to meet this person exactly when you would have lost all the hope, and you are like, you know, will I even find somebody? So that kind of, and that's when this person is going to come in your life. So could be that you are a single parent and you worry a lot, whether will I ever find my Mr. Right, Miss Right. You know, you could be somebody who is in 50s, 60s. Now this is for 1 to 2% of you. Maybe you are in your 50s, 60s, and you have lost all the hope. You are like, you know, I'm already 50, I'm already in my 50s, I'm already in my 60s. There's no chance I'll find somebody, you know. How is that possible? Maybe you have lost all the hope, and you feel lonely. I do see that some of you feel lonely. You miss your old memories, you miss your old days, but this person is going to come what may. Doesn't matter whether you are young or you are senior, doesn't matter. You are going to meet this person for sure. This person is going to praise you a lot. I told you that they are going to be, okay, I think I get this. They will praise you a lot for sure. I think, guys, when you both meet, you both are going to match very well. It's like, you know, you both have gone through the same lessons in the past. You both have gone through the same chapters in your past. And it's like, you know, two souls coming together, two people with a lot of experience coming together. And yeah, I think whatever you have gone through, even this person would have gone through. And that is when you both are going to come together. Now let's see some more messages from Romance Angel deck. Let's see if we get some other messages from this deck. Okay, I think this card wants to come out. Children. So could be you have children or they have children. Okay, as I told you before that you may be, okay, I'm getting one more card. So could be that you are a single parent or they are a single parent. Now this is for some of you, just 1 to 2% of you, not the others of you who are very young. Okay, now also I do feel that this card is trying to tell you that you're very hesitant in falling in love again. You're very fearful. It's like you don't want to fall in love again and get yourself burnt, you know, that kind of an energy. But this card is trying to say it is safe for you to love, you know, explore, know people, you know, don't be a victim of your past. Look at this, you are trying to be a victim of your past. Don't be there. It is safe. You can go forward, meet people, explore. Only then you will meet me or Mr. Right or Miss Right. So there's no point in losing hope that, you know, some of you, I do feel that you worry a lot. You may have this age worries, age issues. I do see age worries and age issues also. So you worry a lot. It's like, you know, I'm already 40, who am I going to find now? I'm already 50, who am I going to find now? No, you are going to find, because there is somebody else who is also in their 40s and 50s, and that person is dying to be with you. That person is wishing to be with you. That person is praying to get to meet you. So just don't lose hope, guys. Okay, you are going to meet this person soon. Okay, let me see. I think this card wants to come out. Okay, 2 cards. Separation. I told you, you're going to meet this person when you may go through some separation in your life. Now this could be from your husband, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, wife, I don't know. Now codependency. So maybe this person is going to help you come out of some addictions. Now this is for few of you. Could be that this person will help you come out of some addictions. Now this could be, this person may help you when you are in depression. This person could help you if you are addicted to drugs or alcohol, I don't know. So it could be anything. So this person will definitely help you to come out of some difficult phase. Now keep an open mind. Look at this. This card is trying to tell you that, you know, you may have a certain desire, you want a certain kind of person, or you want a person to have some qualities. Okay, they are your criteria. You want this person to meet all your expectation. But guys, you will have to have an open mind. Okay, maybe this person matches you completely 100 out of 100, or maybe this person may lack 10 to 20% of the qualities that you want in your soulmate. So don't be rigid. Okay, just don't be rigid. Have an open mind. This person, whoever this person is going to be nice. With time, things will be revealed to you. Okay. Okay, I get one more card. Unrequited love. Yes, unrequited love. So this card is trying to tell you, yes, I feel that some of you are in a relationship right now which is done. It's like time to move on, but you are still holding on to that relationship. Maybe the relationship you are in right now, it is not giving you any happiness. You are stuck, you are frustrated, you don't want to be in this, but you are still dragging it. So maybe it's time for you to move out of this relationship, but you're still holding on. Okay, so this card is trying to tell you that some of you, maybe you're going through that phase where maybe you're going through some endings in your life. So whatever it is, but this person is going to meet you exactly when things are difficult. So whatever it is, this person is going to come in your life when you will go through this phase of divorce, separation, I don't know, could be anything. So any more messages for you? Let me see if I have any more message for you. Okay, I think I get this. Flirt. So this person could be a flirt. Okay, this person may come across as a person who is a flirt initially. And yeah, it's safe for you to flirt. You know, you have to know each other, date each other. I feel that this person could be somebody who is going to flirt a lot when they meet you. So you may feel that this person is a flirt, but that's not the case. Things will grow eventually between you both. Now for some of you, yes, this person may be there in your life already, but I don't know, in this reading, I feel that for 80% of you, I feel that this is somebody new who is going to come. For 20% of you, could be that this person is the one that you are in relationship with right now. But for the other 80%, I don't know, in this reading, I feel that for 80% of you, I feel that this person is someone completely new or somebody from your past, a long lost friend, an ex, Okay, you may meet after few years, 10 years, 5 years, 15 years, doesn't matter. So let me see if I get any more messages from angels. Let me see if I get any more messages from angels. Okay. Forgiveness. I think you may have to forgive someone in your life. You're holding on to something. So you are holding on to something and the angels are asking you to forgive that person. I don't know who is this person, but this is just the advice that I'm getting for you. So any more advice for group number 5? Okay, I get this. Choose a new direction. Now the universe is asking you to choose a new direction. I told you, you are somewhere stuck in a relationship which is not serving you. So this is not for all. Some of you, you are in a dead relationship trying to make it work, and the time has come for you to move on. You may have to choose a new direction, a new path, a new life, and whatever it is, your spirit guides, divine universe, mother nature is with you. So let me see more. Okay, I get one more card. Look at this. Let go. I'm getting this message again. Let go. You're holding on to something which is not serving you. Let go of that relationship. Let go of your worries. Let go of all the negativity in your life. What is this? Within the next few months. Didn't I tell you this person is coming very soon? I think I got this also. Take action. So this person is coming very soon in your life and you may have to take some action. I think you may have to move out of a relationship to be with this person. I don't know. But this person is definitely coming in your life within the few months. Within the next few months. And for some of you, it could be 2 to 3 years. For some of you, it could be 2 to 3 years. Or for majority of you, this person is coming within the next few months. For majority of you. For some of you, it could be 2 to 3 years on a larger side. So that is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this reading, and if you did, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate with you. And please be happy. You are going to have a beautiful life. Your love life is going to be very beautiful. This person is going to love you. Your relationship is going to be amazing. You deserve happiness and you are going to get that soon. Okay. And also, guys, you can also stay in touch with me in my Instagram, my Facebook page. I have mentioned all these details at the end of this video. Okay, so you can connect with me there. Now, thank you so much, you guys. I really appreciate your time. You take care. Bye bye. Be happy always. I'll move forward to the next group now. Okay, so you take care, guys. Bye. Welcome, group number 14. Let's see, what do we have for you? Wow, you're gonna, this person that, okay, the first is this thief. Okay. Okay guys, let's see. Guys, this person is going to be from a very rich family. Somebody with a strong personality. If she is a woman, then very beautiful, very good looking, and if he's a male, then definitely very good looking. Okay, this person is going to be very attractive. I think they are going to be very good looking, whoever this person is. Guys, this person could be somebody who is very innocent, okay, like a childlike nature, and people do take undue advantage of them. This person is very romantic. This person is going to be very romantic. They are the ones who will shower you with love. They are going to sing songs for you. They are going to take you for romantic dinners. They are going to do a lot for you. Okay, highly romantic, yes. This person is going to be highly romantic. There's no doubt about it. Maybe you guys have some age gap also. Now this is for just 1 to 2% of you. Some of you may have age difference also between both of you. For many of you, I feel that this person is already there in your life. We have the King of Wands, Knight of Cups, Six of Cups. I strongly feel that in some cases, I feel that this person is already there in your life. I do feel this person is just waiting for the right time to offer you or to propose you. But yes, this person is waiting for the right time. So now I don't know, I feel that this person may have lost their partner, or they are mourning over their loss. I don't know, in some cases I feel that this person is mourning over their partner's loss. They are no more on this planet, and this person is literally mourning, and they are in that phase. Now this is for very few of you, not for the others. This could be you also, maybe you have lost your partner, something like this, and you are mourning over their loss. Now the others of you, yes, this person is highly romantic. They are going to do all the things on this planet to get your attention. Could be that this person has a child. They may be a single parent. This person is somebody, I told you, this person is very good looking, and they are proud of that thing. They are proud, and could be that this person doesn't talk much. Okay, they don't talk much. Okay, I think, yeah, I think this card wants to come out. I don't know, I strongly feel that you may meet this person when this person is going through a bad phase. Okay, Page of Cups. I strongly feel that you're going to meet this person when this person is going through a bad phase. You will be like a sunshine. When you come in their life, you will be like a sunshine. Something like this. Okay, this person is very social. They love to drink a lot. They love to be with friends. It's like every evening they want to go out. Every evening they cannot stay without being out with friends. That kind of a nature. Now this person loves to party a lot, and lot of family gatherings. A family person. This person loves to party a lot. This person loves to socialize. They cannot stay alone for too long. Yeah. Initially, when you meet this person may come across as a person who gives more value to their friends. Initially, now this is for some of you. Okay, this person may come across as a person who values their friends more than you. Now this could be initially, but once they fall in love with you, once your relationship gets stronger, this person is going to become a complete family man or a family woman. So that kind of a nature. Now in some cases, this person could be from your past also. This person could be somebody you have broken up with. Now this person may come up in your life after 2 years, 1 year, doesn't matter. This person could be an ex also for some of you. Now this is not for all, just 1 to 2% of you. This person could be an ex that may come back in your life to revive this relationship. They may ask for forgiveness from you. Maybe this person may have wronged you in some way. They may have hurt you in the past, and they may come back, something like this. But I don't know, strongly for some of you, I feel that this person is going to be a highly romantic person. It's like a dream come true. We have the Page of Cups, we have the Lovers here, a divine soulmate connection, a divine soulmate connection. Wow, we have the sun here. For some of you, it could be a same gender relationship also. This is for the LGBT community. So yeah, you are going to find your soulmate for sure. So yeah. This person loves to talk a lot, okay? I think this person loves to talk a lot. They want to communicate a lot. This person, I don't know guys, I think this card wants to come out. That is the King of Cups. I strongly feel guys that this person is someone who is at this moment going through a very difficult phase at this moment. I don't know, so this person is very disappointed in life, going through a very difficult phase in their life, and you are going to meet them then, or when you meet them, this person may be in a very difficult phase. So yeah, something like this. Now this person, for majority of you, I don't know, for at least for 20 to 30% of you, I feel that this person is already there in your life. So yeah, either this person may have proposed to you already, or they may have given you the commitment, or for the others of you, this person is waiting for the right time to propose to you. Something that kind of an energy. Could be that if she is a feminine energy, then this person wants you to propose them, but this person definitely wants things to go ahead, but this person is waiting for the right time. Now this is for some of you. The others of you, this is a completely new person who may come. This person, I get this again, King of Pentacles. So this person is going to be very wealthy, very rich. So they are going to be the one who will provide you with all the comforts. They are going to take you for shopping, do all the things. This person could be somebody who thinks a lot. This person could be somebody who may have some pride in a good way. So yeah, this person could be a Cancer, Saggy, Pisces, Leo, Taurus, Scorpio. They may have a Mars and Mercury strongly in their chart, a Jupiter in their chart. Okay, Three of Wands in reverse. Guys, I think you guys have to wait a bit. You may have to wait for at least 3 to 6 months, and for some of you it could be 3 years also. So you may have to wait before this person comes in your life. I strongly feel that some of you may have to wait. It could be 3 to 6 months or 3 years, something like this. This person could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's see more about this person. I think this person is going to be from fashion industry, or they may be a model. If masculine energy or a feminine energy, doesn't matter. Maybe they are a model, or they are from this beauty industry. If she is a woman, then maybe she is from a beauty industry, gemology, production, makeup industry. So somebody who likes to dress up, somebody who has to look good. Maybe she is a one who is a hairdresser or a makeup artist, or someone from fashion industry. I do strongly see that. Now this person could be a designer also. Could be someone who is connected to the research and development side. They may have their small business. It could be any business, or they may be involved with something that is connected to children, maybe, they could be a teacher or something connected to child or children. They could be a business consultant, an entrepreneur, data processing. They are connected to some sort of data. Now this could be a BPO industry or a call center. I don't know, but something connected to arts, data, fashion industry, sports. This could be a sportsman, a sportswoman, somebody who is connected to fitness industry. I don't know. Yeah. This could be a doctor, okay, somebody who heals people, somebody who cures people. Now this could be somebody who is an astrologer, a tarot card reader. This person could be from sports industry also, okay, so they love to play sports, something like this. Highly intellectual, so connected to science also, maybe they have studied science or something like this. Science or arts background, I see that very strongly. They may be connected to science or arts. So yeah, I think, okay, this person is somebody, guys, who may not show their emotions so easily. Not in all the cases, but for some of you, I feel that this person is going to be somebody who may show their brave front, but internally they are very soft, they are very emotional, okay. They may hide their emotions. They too deeply want a marriage, they want a happy marriage, they want a happy family. This person is also dying to be in a stable relationship. This person is also hoping and wishing to be with their soulmate. Maybe this person is wanting, see, I think this person is going to talk to you. If this person is already there in your life, this person is going to propose you, talk to you. This person may send you a message. You may meet this person through I think you may meet this person through your children. If could be, now this is for very few of you, you may meet through children. Maybe, you know, your child and their child is in the same school, same college, I don't know. Maybe you may meet each other through children also, something like this. For some of you, I mean, I don't know, I do see two scenarios in this reading. I told you, for some of you, this person is going to be highly emotional. They are very emotional. They are going to be all over you, head over heels for you. And for the others of you, this person is going to love you a lot, but they may hide their emotion. So I do see two scenarios in this reading. This person loves to make sure that everybody around them is happy. So they are like, they please a lot. It's like they cannot make somebody unhappy. So they will do their best to make everyone comfortable, that kind of an energy. Now this could be a love marriage for some of you. This is going to be a love marriage for most of you. Either you may meet through children, through work. It could be through work. You may meet each other through work, or yeah, maybe you may meet this person overseas in a different country. It's like you are going for studies or you're going for your work and you meet this person in a different country. I think friends also will be involved in some cases. So you may meet this person via your friends or something like this. In a public space, public place, through friends, something like this. This person is someone, guys, who doesn't believe in a short-term relationship. So when they meet you, they are going to be very serious. They don't want any time pass. They want a serious relationship. This person is somebody, they'll make the entire room go lit if they enter the room. So their personality is such that once they enter the room, everybody has to look at them. Nobody can ignore them. So a very strong personality. If she is a woman, then she is going to be very beautiful, very good looking, and if he is a man, then very handsome. So there is no two way about it. A very strong personality. I think, I don't know, I strongly feel that once you fall in love with this person is going to get addicted to your love. It's like, I think you are the one who is going to pamper this person a lot. Pamper in the sense, you are going to love them a lot. That is the kind of love you both will share. And this, I think nobody else may have loved this person the way you are going to love this person. You know, this person is going to be very lucky. I strongly feel that this person is going to be very lucky. You are going to love this person too much, and this person will acknowledge that, this person will respect that, this person will know, you know, that you really care for them, you really love them. So yes, this person is very forgiving, okay, very forgiving. They have a very big heart. So they may get angry, but then if you ask for forgiveness, they will forgive you. So that kind of an energy. As I told you, for some of you this could be a love marriage. For some of you, I strongly feel that this could be an arranged marriage also. Maybe you may get this proposal via your family, friends, something like this. I do see arranged marriage for some of you. So yeah, maybe it's you who will, if you are a masculine energy, so maybe it's you who may offer this proposal to the other family, so to their family, something like this, okay. If you are a masculine energy, maybe it's your parents or your friends who may offer this proposal to this person, especially if you are a masculine energy. So yeah, I do see arranged marriage for some of you. Now this is only for 2 to 3% of you. We have the 5 of Swords. I told you this person is very innocent. I don't know, I strongly feel that in some cases this person is very innocent. They have been hurt a lot. People do take undue advantage of them. I told you at the start. So people do take undue advantage of them. This person could be elder to you, senior to you, and this person is somebody who may have acquired a lot of spiritual knowledge, or they may, when you meet this person, they may be in a phase of introspection. You know, could be that this person, when you meet this person, they may be in a phase of introspection. I told you, you are going to meet this person when this person is going through a very bad phase, and that is when you both are going to come together. Now let's see more about this person. Any more message? Let's see more about this person. Okay, the first is self-worth. This person is somebody who loves respect and who believes in giving respect and getting respect. So if you don't appreciate them, they won't like it, you know. So yeah, they believe a lot in self-respect. So their ego is very important, that kind of an energy. Okay, I got the second card. Insecurity. This person may be insecure about you. This person is somebody, if they meet you, they are going to be highly possessive, okay. They will always be insecure. So yes, despondence. Definitely, I told you before, in some cases, for 1 to 2% of you, this person may be a single parent. Because I don't know, I strongly feel that this person is somebody, this is coming again, just reconfirming the entire situation. This person is somebody who may be going through a very bad phase when you meet them. They may be in depression when you meet them. They may not tell you, or they may not show it, I don't know. Whatever it is, but this person is going to be highly possessive for you, insecure. They will always fear losing you, that kind of an energy. They may have these thoughts, you know, what if you leave them? Once they fall in love with you, this person will always have these thoughts, you know, what if you leave them? What if you fall in love with this person? They will be highly possessive, because I feel that there's nobody else who may have loved them the way you will do. So this person is going to be possessive for you later, you know, after you both are in a strong relationship. Then let me see any. Okay, I think this card wants to come out. Impatient. This person is going to be impatient. They want everything on the spot. They cannot wait. So whatever it is, they want things fast. It's like, if they want to be in relationship with you, they are going to be highly impatient. Impatient in every area. If they want something, they want it immediately. So that kind of a nature I see. So let's see what messages do we have. Oh wow, the first card that flipped is romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. I think, guys, I don't know, for some of you, I feel that this person is already there in your life. It's just that I do feel that the attraction is very strong, either from your end or from their end. I do feel that this person is there in your life. So yes, I do feel that you both feel the strong pull towards each other. Now this is not for all. For some of you, I feel that this person is there. For the others of you, you may meet this person between 3 to 6 months, within a year, or 2-3 years, max 2-3 years, something like this. And if you're too young, you are like 16, 18, 20, then you may have to wait till you reach the right age for marriage. Okay, unrequited love. I feel some of you are in a relationship, so this is coming again. I think I'm getting the second message again. I had got this in the previous reading also. I feel some of you are in a relationship which is almost dead. There is no chemistry and attraction left, and you both are just pulling it along. So I feel, yeah, what is this? Release your ex. Look at this. I think you are in a relationship and worth waiting for. I've got two cards. So some of you, I feel that you are in a relationship which is almost dead. You're still dragging it along. I think you may have to release this person, or you are going to release this person in the near future. And this new person, this person is worth waiting for. For the others of you, who have not yet met this person yet, this person is worth waiting for. Look at this. Worth waiting for sure. So let me see if I get any more messages for you, group number 14. Any more messages for group number 14? Let's see what messages do we get for you. New love. Yes, I think this person, I told you, this person may have come in your life. For some of you, this person is already there, and for the others of you, this person is going to come very soon. We have got this card, so I think within the next 6 months or a year, this person is coming in your life. Okay, so let's see if we have any more messages from the angels. Let's see what advice do we have from the angels. Let's see what advice do we get from the angels for you. Okay, the first is be assertive. Just be positive, be assertive, guys. Okay, the second is big happy changes. I think you guys are going to enter a very new life. It's like a new chapter. We all go through different chapters in our lives, So I feel that some of you are going to go through a different chapter, a beautiful chapter, and I see this big happy changes coming for you. Now these are the messages from the angels. Let's see what messages do we have from universe. If you believe, see, you have to have faith and belief that you are going to meet this person. Some of you just don't even believe. You feel, okay, the time has gone, I don't think I'm going to meet Mr. Right, Mr. X. That should not be the attitude. You have to be positive, guys. Whatever you think, you will manifest. So make sure you think positive. Make sure you think good. Because if you think negative, you are going to attract negativity. It's just that if you are being sad and you're being depressed and you are not being positive about this person, then this person may come late in your life. So just manifest this person. Be positive. Know that this person is coming. Now for some of you, maybe you are already married to this person, or you are already in this relationship with this man or woman. Maybe you have already met this person. So, okay, let's see what more messages do we have from the angels. Any more messages? Okay, I think this card wants to come out. Perfect timing. See, you're going to meet this person at the right time in your life. So universe is working. It's like universe is conspiring to make you both meet, and things are at work. Universe is at work. Your divine angels spirit guides, they all are at work to make you both meet. So definitely you both are going to meet, there's no doubt about it. Any more messages from the angels? Let's see. Okay, I get two cards. Romance and there's something better. Wow. I think this message is trying to tell me that there's something very good coming in your way, guys. Okay, if you see romance, big happy changes, everything is going to happen in your life, but at the perfect time. You just have to wait and you have to believe, because if you don't believe, you are just going to delay the process. So just be positive, have faith that the entire universe, Mother Nature, is working for you. So that is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this reading, and if you did, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate with you. And also you can stay in touch with me on my Instagram, my Facebook page. All these details I have mentioned here at the end of this video. Okay, you can connect with me there, or you can send me a personal message if you want to. Whatever, I'm always available there. And for personals, you can always get in touch with me. My website is jyotitaroreadings.com. It's mentioned here in the screen too. And that is it, guys. You take care. I truly appreciate your time. You take care, guys. Just be happy. Life is beautiful. You deserve love, and you are going to be happy. Okay, so guys, you take care. Bye.